Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clear the cookies and cache stored on your internet browser. You need to do this whenever you experience slow, when you are browsing the internet and it seems slow. Before you try to do other things that might be quite difficult to do, this is the easiest thing that you might want to try first before you proceed to try other things. So what you need to do is that, assuming you are using Chrome browser, all you need to do is to open Chrome. You tap on these three dots, you go to history. From there, you navigate to history again. It brings you to this screen. What you need to do, you go to delete browsing history. Here, as you can see, you have three options here. So if you choose this option, you are going to delete all the browsing history. So this is basically the history of the websites that you have been browsing in the past, which are saved in your browser. And not only also the files that you came with these websites that you visited. There is also the cache images and all that. So if you choose this option, so you might want to choose, here it's asking you to choose either 1 hour, you have 7 days, 4 weeks, you have all time. So if you want, you might want to choose all time in order to delete the entire thing. Another option you have here is, as you can see, you've got these three options. If you click on advanced, you see you've got more things here. So do you want to delete all of them? So you might want to read them and decide if you really want to delete them or not. But I can promise you it's not going to affect your computer negatively. Another thing that you need to pay attention to where it says passwords and other sign-in data. Sometimes you have some websites that uh, the credentials, the password and login are populated automatically when you visit those websites. So usually it's because they are saved in this it's also saved in one of these files. So if you don't mind to lose those credentials, you might want to click these passwords and other sign-in data as well. Or if you want to keep them, you can deselect it. So when you are done, also you can choose how long you want this deleted. So here I have all time. So once you are done, let me just go on and also choose this password option. As you can see, I selected everything. I selected advanced. Once I go delete data, it deletes the entire files that I had in that history. That's what happens. So as you can see, after deleting it, when you will see that everything will appear as none, as you can see. Before you deleted this, if you looked at it, you will see that it will indicate the amount of files that are saved under each of these options. That's all I wanted to show you. So wishing you faster browsing. Thank you, and subscribe to my channel, please.